What up guys, welcome back to another video. This is actually the very first video that I'm filming in 2021. I am so happy to be back, start up a brand new year. So the first video of this year, we're starting off right. I'm gonna show you guys how to properly do a downshift by Rev-Matching. Now you're probably wondering, why do I need a Rev-Match if I'm driving a manual car? Now, if you don't Rev-Match and you downshift, your car might be jerking a little bit, wear and tear on your clutch, your engine in the future. And I'm here today to show you how to properly do Rev-Matching. It's so simple. Anybody can learn. It's gonna take a little bit of practice. You might mess up the first couple times, but I guarantee you that you will get it right. I bought this car in September and I started doing Rev-Matching later on in October, and I got it down smoothly to the point where, hey, now it's just natural. Everywhere I go, I have to Rev-Match. That's the big key. Do you know how to downshift and Rev-Match correctly? Because if you're going to if you're in fourth gear and you want to Rev-Match to third, you should not be in high RPMs at all. You should also, your miles per hour should be decreasing. It should be between the 30 to 35 mile range. If you do it in a higher miles per hour, your car will jerk and it will cause very wear and tear on your transmission. And I don't want you guys to do that. Above my house is a stop sign. I'm gonna probably go from fifth to fourth to third. I use it on Rev-Match to second because at that time I'm basically at a complete stop. Once you get this Rev-Matching down, you're gonna feel like a beast in the car, like, yeah, I'm gonna Rev-Match anytime I want to. And it's gonna save you a lot, because sometimes when lights go to red to green and you just trying to put the clutch in, go down to complete stop, Rev-Matching will help that out tremendously. So yes, let's get started and let's go. And that's how you Rev-Match. Smooth from fourth to third, third to second, or maybe fifth to fourth, fourth to third, third to second. So I guarantee you, if you the first time just got your manual, you want to learn some cool tips and tricks how to really save your engine, your wear and tear on your clutch, I advise you pick up Rev-Matching, a great tool to learn while driving a manual car. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. But yes, that includes today's video, how to simply Rev-Match. It's so easy, but it takes practice. If you're starting off, you try it, but practice makes perfect. I see you guys later. If you're new to the channel, go back and look at all my recent videos so you can catch up. And legit is out.